What is it, honey?
Whee! This juice box is good! Oh, it's empty! I need to get another one.
Let's go, Mom! Okay, but let's be quick. It's nice to sit down and relax. This juice box is really empty. I was wanting to try it. Never mind, honey. Maybe I can help. I have some water. Water is boring. Oh, okay. I know! I have some strawberry jam! I can add this to the water. I can't let Annie see. That should do it.
Mom? What are you doing? I want juice.
Ugh, I tried.
Life is so cruel.
Wait. I think I know what to do. I can use this juice carton. I'll just cut it in half, then put the water inside. Annie will never know. Meh, it's good enough. Annie, this is for you.
Really? This is great! Thanks, Mom!
No problem, honey.
I love having my own pool! Look at me! I'm swimming! Ew, that was hard work. I should take it easy. It's so warm. I need to cool down.
Here you go, ma'am.
Is this a joke? What is that?
It's water.
Uncle, we have a problem. I want a refreshing drink.
I'm on it.
Nah.
Betty deserves the best, freshest orange juice. Imagine serving her water. Don't worry, Betty. This is ridiculous. Here you go, ma'am.
What took so long? I'm telling Mommy! The service is awful. So this is my home.
Wow, it's huge.
No. Sit down.
Whoa, you got so many toys. And a lot of money.
What do you have?
It's not that impressive.
Is that it?
Yeah, this is my monkey.
Yikes.
Look at all those bags. You're so lucky. They're amazing. Wow.
Yeah, I need a new bag every day.
I want a closer look. I've never seen so many handbags. They're so pretty. Ooh, look at this one.
What are you doing? Excuse me? Give me that. This is really expensive. Look at those grubby fingerprints.
I just have this plastic bag. I never have nice things. Oh, I wonder what's in that box.
Where are you going now?
Look at all this cool stuff!
That's just garbage.
I could use this box. Give me a minute. Look at my new bag!
Ooh! I love it!
Where did you get it?
I need to have it!
Take it.
Oh my gosh, this is the best! It's my new favorite! Thanks so much!
Maybe we could do a trade?
I should have known there was a catch. I suppose it's only fair. But I'm not happy. Here, you can take this.
For real?
It's yours. Anyway, I have this. It's not fitting on the shelf. I've changed my mind. Annie? She was right here.